Frndly television versus Philo 2025. Here's the one I'd actually pay for. Choosing the wrong live television streaming service can waste your money fast. Frndly television and Philo look similar, but here's what most people miss in 2025. Frndly television is budget-focused. It offers family-friendly channels at a very low monthly cost. Hallmark, Lifetime, and Game Show Network are its biggest draws. Philo, on the other hand, costs more but offers over 70 channels, including AMA, Comedy Central, MTV, and Discovery. Most people get this wrong by only comparing price. Philo includes unlimited DVR, while Frndly television limits recordings unless you upgrade. You won't believe how much this matters if you watch shows later instead of live. Neither service offers sports or local channels, so they're best as cable replacements for entertainment only. The surprising truth is that Philo feels more complete for everyday viewing, while Frndly television is perfect for casual or family-focused households. In 2025, if budget is your top priority, Frndly television wins. If variety and flexibility matter, Philo is worth the extra cost. Choose based on how you actually watch television, not just the price tag. Subscribe for more streaming comparisons that save you money.